เพลิงเกี่ยวกับเป็นเกี่ยวตอนเพื่อให้เนี่ยหนูเพื่อให้แต่ master plan เนี่ยหนูเอาแต่นำตัววันเนี่ยเนี่ยตกจานยังเกี่ยวเลยลูกโจมาเมินมาตุกเจี้ยงนั่นไอ้หนูต้องเอาโอ้ยจบอ่ะโง่เนาะอะไรเนาะงั้นก็จำไม่ได้อีกมือเป็นน้องจะลายตีนอัพcho anh biết cái thơ đó và đây cái lái này này vư này vừa vay tới cả trao này chỉ cần điện từ phố cho nên điện và sư này ăn tay nhọt nhô này nhưng lại chuột nông của ba anh mua tới đỏ mà ăn pan lôi ăn trên đấy ăn phơ đấy rồi dân choán đồn rồi à nè cười xiêm này cười lơ la này nè thật bông đẹp lại gì nữa chị cũng ôm slide đó đâu
luôn này kia đó là này ngonปืน
này chim này ấy nó sợ nào lắm
chẳng tại chứ cái mò đấy
mà ăn ta đau việc là vợ chung vì ăn bên này chi có tao này tôi kìa nó có miếng phơi lang mà miếng miếng chẳng đấy chọn đây thì chị làm chị drop đó rồi
kiaอะไรแข่งอัดไอกุยแข่งอัดไอ
nó ăn bên này chi lình luôn
nâng nát
này ăn đi nó sẽ như thế nào mà
thì để xem như bơ tao mò mà
đi kia nào
Lang at tuan ni ba?
Tipin na.
Quay xuống cực.
At ai ba sang tram pen ka tha te.
Ta plong cái thơ sa đó là chân plong. Plong plong.
Ta về hai tao bắt ti.
Vậy ta supermarket kia hay là ở tay kia đấy kia ăn thịt quạt là được ngon món.
Vâng.
Ai khai thôi. Cái thứ ấy nên là bao kẹt tiền ngon.
Nên bên tập này muối chia màu lục tật lục đấy. Nhưng test cho và bật thoa sập sàn.
giữ cũng nước công an Phan chỉ kế co bó đấy nè.
Vâng, test cho và bật thoa năng muối. Tao tao ha.
Bây giờ chay và đặt lên cái chắc là được có ai như được có cô ấy được có
bố nông đòn ra chứ
nông
con pram không của bà បាទ
តែខ្ញុំមកពាន់ប្រាំហ្នឹងគាត់ថាបើសិនជាមានការអភិវឌ្ឍខ្ញុំរឹតទៅទៅ
ហ្នឹងហើយ
ទៅខ្ញុំមានអីទៅមើលតែតាមឈ្មោះនេះដល់
បាទ
ច្រើន
តែពេលចង់មកវាព្រៀង
ទៅគាត់คุยខាងនេះ
យើងនឹងឆ្វេង
អាហ្នឹងគឺអត់ស្មើគ្នាអូគ្នាណា
Sinsui Station នៅកោះត្រល់8គីឡូ
ជាទូត្រដល់
បាទ
នេះទៅ3គីឡូតែយើងទៅអាកោះនេះហើយទៅអាកោះម្ដងទៅមកវិញ3គីឡូ3គីឡូឆ្ងាយ
អូនេះបើកឲ្យថាណារីនេះអត់គ្នាចូលរៀង
បាទនេះជាបាត់ឡូអូតូណាហ្នឹង ជាស្រែហ្នឹងស្លាយចុះទៅចាទៅទៀតហើយ
Tao đi rồi.
អានេះចាក់យកអើយ
Chị ta sẽ bài.
សប្បាយហ៎អំភ័យហ៎អំពលមីហ៎
Đi tiếp.
អាគួរ
ខាងថៃខាងថៃថៃអត់អត់ថៃ
Ô, Long.
អូនេះនេះខ្លាំងណាស់ណាមានចរាយន្តទេណា
នៅយន្តទៅឡែងនេះហៀស្អីនេះ
នេះវាលេខអត់ទៅមិនចាំជីបត្រង់ឯងចុះចរាទៅខាងណាមកណាអូ
ព្រះមហៀនេះព្រះមហៀអីគេឈ្មោះអីគេភ្លេចបាត់ហើយ
អីយកបានចុះទៅហើយគេចុះពីអាស្ថានីយ៍មិញណា
សារអ្នកធ្វើព្រះវិហារនេះទៀតនេះឡើងធ្វើកពូលស្រួចនោះ
ចិន
នាំមើលខាងជេងអង្គុយ
សំខាន់ណាគេធ្វើចរាយន្តចុះហើយអត់
អូខំអូខំអូ
Ô, con kìa. Ô, 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 ô.
អូ
ជន់នេះដល់ទៅជន់
Cái chanh chê. Cái chanh chê. Cái chanh chê.
អូម៉ូតូតូដល់ហើយនេះផ្លូវស្អាតដល់ទៅផ្លូវ
เราได้จอบเจอลงไปตามเครื่อง
Landasan di awangan anda. Kami harap anda menikmati pemandangan menakjub
គេជប់អីយ៉ាងជប់
Malaysia dan landscape bergunung
ហេនវិញមកវិញស្រឡះ
Nantian seterusnya adalah Stesen Awangan. Gerbang
អូ
utama
ដើម
Highlands Premium Outlets
ដើមឈើនៅនេះទាំងអស់អញ្ចឹងមិនយើងអត់
Gunung Jinama Antarabangsa dan gedung dengan 65% setiap hari.
តែកាប់នៅសល់50% ជាងដើមឈើនេះមកលេ
នេះនៅវិក្រមនេះគេឲ្យដូរដើមឈើណា
បាទ
កាប់ចេញ
វាជារះ
បកែឡើងកាប់ទៀតណានេះឆ្ងល់
នោះរៀបចំប្រព័ន្ធទឹកប្រព័ន្ធអីនោះ
ភាពវាប្រកាសដៃវាសម្រាប់ឡើងទៅតោឡើង
នោះមានទីអូទឹក
Ô, đi ô tộc.
ចង់អូនទឹក
អូទឹក
Chồng ô tộc.
ចុះអានេះដើរគេស្លឹកដូចវាងោកណាធំណា
លើកអត់ទៅ
សិង្ហបុរីទិញយកទៅខ្លះហ្នឹងពូជស្អាតហ្នឹងនេះ
Ô, ăn lư tiếp.
តែឃើញនេះ
Ôi.
អូនេះអូតោះនេះ
Hả?
ពីដើរវិញដាំមកកតែនេះនេះនេះនេះនេះ
អត់ទៅមើល
Ô, con
nó
tè.
ច្រើន
បាទអូស្អាតហ្នឹង
ដើមទៅដើមស្លា
ហឹម
ទៅដើមស្លាដើមនេះ
ហ្នឹងស្លឹកnóស្លឹកងោកជាហ្នឹង
ការតើលោកចាទៅដល់
អូ
ចាទៅមកទៅទៅមកទៅវាលេងហាត់លេងដល់
A, B. Ăn lư tiếp.
ជិះតែទៀតតែស្លេងទៀត
Chinh lên A, B, C.
ហើយông có chơi lên
ដល់ហើយមើលក្រោយម្ដង
A, B, C. Ăn lư. Lên cái bóp đó lư.
អូស្អាតណាស់មើលនៅនោះវិញ
Ba con mama.
មិនបានតិចចឹងទេ
Baទឹកខ້ອຍទេbaទឹកនេះ
vô mà tâm hô
ច
à
រ៉ែតមក
ទីជួយទៅបង
trong cái tâm này tâm hô cái
ផឹកទឹកផឹកទឹករួមមិត្តអត់ថ្ងៃមុន
អត់ទេ
thơ ban trụ hả
ហ្នឹង
តែវាហូរលើក្នុងមក
ច
lương nhất chật nó là
mang được nó vẫn đã bữa này nó phải cho cái này hết đấy này
vậy thì cái lương
vậy xin kê lừa phục lô ở cản sầm mót bữa sang của vua cắt tí krong này nó bị cắt mùi tao cắt mùi
là tù này
mà
cái con cái chốt trong đây không
tao đào rồi mình chụp miền tầm cái lại
nó cắt
lại chụp rồi mà
ta đúng nó để thiết mất mà lớn trọng lớn sầm mất
nhưng mà cha bị tao rồi mà bự này túa có thu thoai là mồm là mình liền mình đấy
nhưng tao
vâng ta dương trong pri
là tại giá
là tại nhà
lấy tôi một pha tam kỳ được không?
sao đây mưa tao
Mày biết nè, mình tên ta lứa thấy chứ? Cái ta tại giá,
tại nhà
mày ta tại giá cái kia được.
còn mày cái nói tới lên tại nhà mà đó
Cái nát lay bị bỏ, rồi ta tới đi chơi mày. Biết là ham những cái này trong
và
đây vô anh cũng biết
và
mà mình tốt mà không
ខ្ញុំឥឡូវខែអត់សូវមានព្យាលក់មកយប់65ហ្មង
ta cũng phải về thăm em là
បាទមានហាពេលព្រឹកដូចតែប៉ាអ៊ុំ
miền An hay tận miền này đâu
បាទមានទុក
nè ai cho hỏi hải này
Dạ.
ai cho hỏi cứ đây đá lên đi cho hỏi
ទុកមកល្មមមក40ការ៉េបូកទាំងវ៉ែរ៉ា
can go all the way to the back there, but you can't really see much. But everywhere, every section you can get onto, try to get to a point where you can see what's going down here, guys. Also, if you guys want to know more about the event that's going down this weekend, we got a schedule right behind the shoebox right here. We got a whole timing of whatever that's going to go down. We got some music that's going to be playing throughout the weekend and a bunch of other good stuff as well. So it's an open party to everybody that's here. Everybody is a part of what we are doing tonight. Again, when the demo is gonna go down later, you guys see the sign on the fencing right there. The sign on the fencing says, "Beware of flying skateboard. Not responsible for injuries or accidents of any kind." Yeah, so skateboard's gonna fly out sometimes, not all the time, but watch out when the demo goes down. Skateboard might fly out a little bit, so just make sure you guys are aware of whatever is going down. But we're gonna start off with the BMX demo real soon, guys. We're just waiting on our cue right now. We're gonna have about 1,000 people that's gonna come out here, that's gonna walk into this section.
Đẹp mà.
Little bit more.
Đẹp mà.
party is moved on to this section right now, everybody. Right here, everybody that's walking in right now, welcome to the Classic Sis Forever party. You know, we're gonna go down right now. Together we got the band sidewalk session happening this weekend. Everybody that's out here, welcome back. Let's go. Yeah, bring them in right now. Tell them to come in. Come on. Welcome, people. Welcome out here. Yes. You see? Earlier, we were keeping this energy right now. Right now, we got a lot of energy. You can see the skaters are shaking. Look at Arina's leg, dude. This guy is freaking shaking right now. You want to eat some raw meat? He looks like he's ready for that. All right. We got about 1,000 people coming through right now, guys. A lot of people coming in. So many. But right now, we're gonna have a little bit of a demo for you guys. As you can see, right in the centerpiece right now, guys, we got the freshly painted right here by Bob, by Super Sunday right here. The skate high right in the middle right now, guys. So, we're gonna get this show started, I think. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get this thing started. But before that, I want to just let everybody that is here know we're going to have a little bit of a demo for you guys. Little bit of a demo. But before we begin, I'm going to speak to this handsome man right here. All right. First off, before we get this thing started, everybody make some noise! My mic is fucking slow, dude. Put it up. Make my mic louder. Make it louder. Kuala Lumpur, make some noise. Let's freaking go. Before we begin, everybody, welcome to the Classic Sis right now. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. I'm a bit shaking right now. I don't know why. I'm shaking a little bit. We're in the middle of Kuala Lumpur, people. Ah! Come out! Let's go. Fuck it. Can we start the show right now? You guys ready? Are you guys ready? Let's fucking go! Before we begin with the demo, I'm gonna introduce to you guys these handsome guys on these two wheels right here. Starting off with this buff-looking guy. Give it up for Imran! Yes, yes, yes. I'm over this side, that side. Over here, this beautiful-looking man, too. Yo, 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 he said, give it up for Magnor! Oh, man, coming through right here, this guy. Usually, he's like way up there, but right now, he's right next to me. Give it up for, you want to say it? I'm gonna make it quick. Xiaomi right here. Everybody make some noise for Xiaomi. And finally, Botak! These guys are gonna do another show for you guys real quick. Keep making some noise. Gotta go right now. But be careful, everybody. They're gonna go. We're gonna start this demo right now. Let's go, go, go. Dropping in. Starting off. Oh, let's go, dropping in the hover right there, doing a kickflip nose grind, beautiful trick right there. Oh my goodness, flying through. Xiaomi's flying through, he's coming up with a Euro right now. Oh, he's doing the kickflip tailwind 9,000. Oh my God, dude, that shit's hard. He's coming through. Oh man, Xiaomi's getting in there. Going up there, oh, going with that kickflip. That was beautiful. Oh, look at that backside flip. That was wild, dude. Oh, look at that 95,000 flip. Oh, another one. Oh, watch out. Wet place. Wet paint. I'm good. I got it. Oh, my God. Oh, watch out. Sorry. Look at them go. These guys are going to go. They're just starting it off right now. Go, go, go. Ah, to the wall. Let's see where he's going. Right up there. Got bam! Come on now. Yes, he's coming out. He's going. No, without the hand? Without the hand? How do you do that? I don't know. Man. Coming down right here. Botak. All right, let's see. Botak likes to surprise people. What is he gonna do? Oh my God. Oh, watch out. Oh my God. That's what I was saying. That's what I was saying. Watch out. That shit's intense. Come on. Let's see it. Keep it going, boys. I want to see somebody fly out the gate. Oh, Gavin now right there. Go. Let's see it. Coming up. Dropping back in. Let's see where's he gonna go this time. Coming up to the Euro right now. Oh, with that 900 up the Euro. Oh my goodness. That was sick, dude. Well, all right, up here we got Shafi. Let's see where he's gonna go. He's going. Oh man. Holding on. Come on, let's see it. Oh, flippity flip off the Euro right there. Everybody, come on, make more noise. Come on, make some noise in the crowd. I don't hear shit. Make some noise. Yes. Let's go. These guys are going at it. You guys are looking like, what the heck are these people doing? They're breaking BMXing without their hands like that guy. Holy shit. Come on, dude. Go. Okay, bro, let's see what's he gonna do. He's gonna fly out. Go out. Oh, he's coming back in. Okay. Whoa, he says.
Oh.
Drop him back in. Hey. All right. Okay. One more from Botak. Let's see. Oh, drop it back in. Where's he gonna go? Oh, he's coming right here. Oh, coming in, thank you, Botak. Ah, it's okay. He's taking a nap. Quick nap. Go to sleep. All right, pause real quick. Anybody wants to come over to this side? You guys can come over too. Yeah. Come on through, guys. So you guys have better feel what's going on right here. Anybody from there? Just so everybody gets to see what's going down right here. Oh man, I feel something's gonna go down with this track right here. I'm gonna turn into an alien. Holy shit. Alright. Not even walking straight anymore. This is only the beginning of the demo. Holy crap. What's up? I love you, Mom! I love you, Black! Everybody make some noise for Black right here! Just for having a face like that, dude. And Black has the freaking glasses on, dude. Holy shit. Alright, grown up, Uncle Black. Alright, let's keep it going. Go. Yes! Go, Botak! Come on! What is he gonna do? Where's he going this time? Oh! Without the head! Goddamn! Oh! That's a me! That's a freaking me! Oh my God! Come on, dude, let's go! Don't stop! Don't you guys dare stop it! Oh! In skating, that's called a 5-0 glide. In BMX, I have no idea. Pretty close. Oh! Yeah, right there. I think it's a bar spin, yeah? My guy. Bar spin. No, coming down. Feeble grind? Is that feeble? I don't know. It looks like a feeble grind. Oh, holding on. No, going hard. Yeah. With the piece. Piece from the back. Still a piece. Alright, Limang. Oh! Battery. Looks like a battery. Yeah, ooh. That's an onion right there, man. You guys can cross the skate park real quick. And we have all the Vans Malaysia skateboarding team into the park right now. You guys want to get a closer view? This should be a good one right here. It is right in front of the big section where the big things gonna go down. This is known as the big section. So a lot of big shit might go down here. So you want to get close to this right here. Alright, these guys gonna cruise it out a little bit. Yeah, you guys, everybody that is in the middle, you guys can come over here. Everybody that is standing, you guys can come over to the side while these guys are warming up. You wanna go there? You wanna go that side? You good? You guys wanna go? Stay, everybody stay, you good? Stay. Fuck it, we're gonna get it going. Holy shit, that was sick. Okay, this one, guys. When we said watch out for the BMX guys, you gotta watch out for the skateboard guys because their skateboard are actually gonna fly towards you guys. So make sure you guys are watching these guys. All right, these guys are gonna go. Right now, a quick introduction to these guys that are on here. Look at that. Right there, we got Arina Rahman. Look at him go. Look at his teeth. He's got none in the front. That's always the same thing. Right here, we got Fikri Fauzi. Right there, Fikri. It's right there. Right here, we got Koya with a kickflip up to Euro. Let's see somebody else. Ian, drop it, Ian. Right here, Ian. Oh, Ollie North down into the big. This guy is a guy. He is a guy. Oh, man. All right. We're going to put on a show for you guys. Azrian, Daddy's dropping in. Daddy into the bank. Daddy, hold this, Daddy. God dang, Daddy. Come on. Put in it now. Hey. Right there. Okay. Put up. Drop it in. Put up. Drop it from the break in. Oh my God, that was just the intro. And over there, we're gonna let Fatin drop in. Give it up for Fatin, everybody. Yeah. Cruising through Fatin. Coming in to the hip right now. Let's see what she's done. Oh, trying to back something. It's gonna go down. And that is gonna be the fans Malaysian skateboarding team, guys. And I'm gonna put on the show for you guys a little bit. Let's go! Ian's dropping in. Come on, Ian. Go, go, go. Ah, Ian. Come on. Yeah, Fikri Fauzi cruising through. This boy very nice, huh? Come on, Daddy. Come on, show me something. Yeah, call Daddy already numbers. He's the only dad in the field right now. Arina dropping in. Let's see Arina. Come on. Oh, Arina, let's see what he's got. He's always putting something crazy over there. Oh, Arina. Oh, this guy. Oh, goalless something Euro right there. Coming from Azerbaijan. Koya. Oh, he's getting a feeble in. Oh my God. Come on, let's see. Fikri, let's see what's got. Oh, all the way to the flat. Let's see. Come on. Oh, tray flip. Catching it up in the air. Beautiful tray flip. You see, I didn't look at the names on this one because I know skate tricks. I wish. Arena 50 down to Hava. Yes, sir. Grabbing it back in right there. Let's see. We haven't seen much yet. All right. Who's coming in? Azrain with a 50 down. Almost with a nollie 360 back heel. Borok's coming in. Let's see. God, to the wall. That's what I meant, man. Oh shit. Almost smacked in the face, dude. That was funny. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, come on. Where's he going? All right, a little tiny one on there. Oh, kicking it out. You see, he kicked it like that. Kick it harder, Ian. Pull you out with a back lippy. Come on. Oh, steady now. Watch the skateboard, guys. It's gonna fly out. It's actually doing it. Oh! Ball us into the wall. Man, all right, Fatin. Let's see it. Let's see it, Fatin. Come on, Fatin. Fatin, let's see it. Want to see the backside flip? Come on, man. Let's see it. Oh my gosh! Trying to get that tray flip. Go, go, go. All right, Arina's on the top. Holy crap! What are you doing, Arina? Oh! That was scary. Damn, Arina. That was fire. Hormone.
Have a smaller.
One small.
Chocolate, vanilla.
Vanilla one.
Strawberry. Strawberry. Yeah, strawberry. Anh đi thơ. Cái gì nhở?
Cho.
Thơ mà cái.
Hello, Lulu.
Ai dạ ai dạ.
Yes.
Ai.
Hi. Go.
Các bạn tục.
Welcome. Hello, hello. Yes, please. Yes. Thank you. Ice cream, hello. Welcome, ice cream. Yes, thank you. Boss.
Rồi, rồi.
Nó đi, mình bắt được. Giờ ơi.
Chalo, ice cream. Thank you. Ice cream. Hola, hello. Moza, hello. Ice cream. Thank you, sir. Welcome, sir. Ice cream. Good ice cream.
Ice cream, ice cream. À la, nhắm phong.
Bài hả? Bài hả?
Nhắm phong mà, la. Rồi lại nàng cười nhắm.
That means Malacca Center at the time in the training center. Okay, so a lot of muscles will over to the Malacca to do training. Okay, so everyone look at here. This is a tiny muscle. We bring the terminal teeth.
Rồi nhập phải thấy cái
To do training. Okay, so everyone got to take the picture also can. Okay, here. And then the Malay muscle will bring the Unga Ali, external vertex, and the two median to Malacca to do training. Yeah, so everyone can see and then the next country is Myanmar. Myanmar and the Sri Lanka also can see the gemstone. Okay, the gemstone from Malacca to do training. Everyone, you know the gemstone from my friend. ราลูกใส่ใส่
Every product, the volume is not set. Very difficult to calculate, right? So can we the team to do the point to do trading. So everyone look at here, I will show you the formula.
cái gì ông phim này chị gám This is the first meeting in Malaysia. We calling this is the filter team, and then this job is very difficult, not very easy to do one. Okay, but this meeting get the team is very last one. Okay, so everyone can look at here. Yeah, and then we want more the team. So how we use the technology make it for the use there. So everyone follow my friend. This is the next team. We using the ion sheet. Okay, easy to access the team in the underground 500 meters. Okay, here. This iron sheet is very bigger one. Two copper. Bigger the
Đừng sao vậy?
Okay, everyone can look at here. Okay, and then the next we introduce to sharing the team brand in Malaysia. The name is the Loyal Selangor. Okay, everyone look at this picture. Everyone here. Okay, everyone look at this guy. This is the Yong Kuan, founder Loyal Selangor in Malaysia. Okay, the means is using the team with the product in Malaysia. The first one can take the Loyal in Malaysia. Okay, and then all Loyal Selangor product is making the team that effect is keeping food warm and fresh. Okay, understand? Okay, and then everyone get ready. We go in the underground. I will continue my sharing. Look at here. This is the third meeting in Malaysia under the underground in the deep mine. So we can see that the spidering stone, crystal, deep,
and then have the last team leader and the team mind. So process the team leader and very typical, only can see in the Malaysia, we not transfer to another country. So everyone cannot figure and the finally is a team leader now in the team mind. Very like one of right? And then we using the team leader. Okay, we let the generate
Em bỏ kê nhỉ?
and not yeah. Okay. Okay, everyone look at the product. Okay, we're calling this is the man. That's this. Okay, and then the old generation call this product is a black jam. So when people believe writing the black jam, it get away the evil and give you the bad things in your life. So later everyone must go inside to feel to waiting the black jam in your hand, having this product. Okay, and then now we go in the next area. I will show you the black the team leader history and our company product history for you. Okay, everyone come here.
Nửa tấm bông ở tấm bông.
Không ăn vừa một. Vừa không vừa khói.
In today's improved living standards, jewelry has become a part of our life.